Hello guys, Ashik Reviews here, and today we are gonna talk about the Demon Slayer corpse in Kimetsu no Yaiba, also known as Demon Slayer. Furthermore, there might be spoilers for anime-only watchers, but it won't be that much information for any major spoilers of the main storyline. So let's not talk further and get right into it. The Demon Slayer Corps is an organization that has existed since ancient times, dedicating its existence for protecting humanity from demons and slaying all of the demons in the world. There are hundreds of Demon Slayers within the organization, however, they are not officially recognized by the government. With Mujan Kibutsuji's demise and the near extinction of the demon race, the corps officially disbanded. In order to become a Demon Slayer, an individual must pass the final selection, a test used as an entrance exam to join the Demon Slayer Corps. During this selection, examinees must survive for 7 days on a mountain top infested with demons without any aid from the outside world. Candidates who complete the final selection are issued the standard uniform as well as being given the opportunity to choose the ore for the special sword, also known as the Nichiren sword, which is designed to eliminate demons efficiently. Each new slayer is assigned one of a rare species of talking bird for communication purposes. Upon passing the entrance exam, each new slayer is assigned a Kasugai crow. These crows possess the ability to speak in full sentences. Though their speech is very limited and somewhat very loud, it is the job of these birds to deliver missions to their designated demon slayer. Although Zenitsu was the only one who was designated a sparrow. Now, the members of the Demon Slayer Corps wear a uniform that is highly durable and lightweight. The uniform cannot be easily damaged by minor demons. They sport their uniforms with a white long-sleeved collared shirt under the uniform. The Demon Slayer uniform appears remarkably similar to a Gakuran uniform. Now, as for the Nichiren blade is the signature weapon of the Demon Slayer Corps. It is a katana sword made from a special wood that constantly absorbs sunlight. The blade changes color upon the wielder drawing the blade for the first time. The color that the blade changes is dependent on the user, and the different color bestow different properties on the blade according to their users. Members of the Demon Slayer Corps are separated into 10 different ranks. From lowest rank to highest, the ranks are Mizunoto, Mizunoe, Kanoto, Kanoe, Tsuchinoto, Tsuchinoe, Hinoto, Hinoe, Kinoto, and lastly Kinoe. Once a Demon Slayer has fully settled into the organization, they are classified as a member of the lowest rank, Mizunoto. They must complete a variety of missions to ultimately climb the ranks and reach the highest Demon Slayer position, Kinoe. Following the final selection, each swordsman has their rank inscribed on their hand through a process called Wisteria flower engraving. As they continue to progress as swordmen, they can check their rank by saying a password and flexing their arm to reveal their status. Now comes the Hashiras. Within the Demon Slayer Corps, there is a group of elites known as the Hashiras or the Pillars. This group consists of the most powerful combatants in the organization. The Hashira, in accordance with their great strength, are the most highly ranked members of the corps, second only to the leader of the organization. In order to become eligible to join the Hashira, a demon slayer must either successfully kill 50 demons or kill a member of the 12 moons, Kizuki. They are a group of the most powerful demons in existence who serve directly under the demon lord, Kibutsuji Muzan. Now, a Suguko is a very talented demon slayer that has been designated as the successor to one of the Hashiras. Should that Hashira retire or die, in order to become a Suguko, a demon slayer can either apply and get accepted or get scouted by one of the current Hashiras. Kakushi. Within the corps, there is a cleanup crew known as the Kakushi. The Kakushis are responsible for providing first aid to the injured demon slayers following a large battle, as well as bringing the injured in for proper medical attention. As for the salary goes, Mizunoto are roughly paid around 200,000 yen, where the Hashira are paid as much as they want. The Swordsmith village is a hidden village where all the swordsmiths resides. In order to travel to the village, a demon slayer must be transferred by multiple Kakushi and Kasugai Garasu while blindfolded. Now, the year in which the village was established has not been specified. However, the manga does mention that the village had existed approximately 300 plus years before the start of the manga. As the name alludes, The village is home to the swordsmith who can forge the Nichiren blades of the Demon Corps members. Therefore, it is well kept hidden within the forest. The exact location of the village is confidential in order to keep it hidden, and travelers must ride blindfolded and with nose plugs while being piggybacked by multiple kakushi. Besides being a workshop, the village also contains multiple hot springs which are commonly used by swordsmen for their healing properties. The members of the village are commonly seen wearing variations of Hyotoko mask in order to keep their identity concealed, a tactic used to protect them from being tracked by all of the demons. There is also the butterfly mansion, also known as the butterfly estate, is the manor that insect Hashira Shinobu Kocho, Sugoko Kanao Suyuri, and assistant Aoi Kanzaki, Sumi Nakahara, Kyo Terauchi, and Naho Takada live in. The manor is often used as a recovery base for injured demon slayers. The majority of healing at the mansion is done by Shinobu Kocho, though there are also attendants known as Kakushi who run errands and assist in watching over the injured. On top of this, there are others who live in the mansion that are not demon slayers but offer training regimens to the facilitate the recovery process and help the injured demon slayers for reaching top condition again. For example, Aoi Kanazaki creates a training regiment meant to help Tanjiro, Inosuke, and Zenitsu recover after their battle on Natagama Mountain. There are also some families that personally choose for aiding the Demon Slayers in their designated destinations. The Demon Slayers rest and eat there for their mission. They are the persons who are saved by the Demon Corps members and thus has made a vow to serve to the Demon Slayers. Now that will be all for the Demon Slayer Corps. So let us end the video right here. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.